point from the other country. Pero Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati. Marikina, Pasig, Bacote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batangas, Asalig, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte. Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, Luzon, Baguio City. Visaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Alta, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarate Resort, Angones, Masbate, Sorsogon, and Biagi Islands North, Mindoro, Nakikiramdam, then down the Visayas shore, Timber, Sugar, Coconut Export. Ay, tumakan ang dawit. Ay, tugon na maritin. Ay, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, mga buto na isang Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Regano, Samis, and the three provinces of Davao. Sa Davao Sur, America, the Norte, Magbabakunana, Sulutang Itawi. Tourists are invited to see, according to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.